Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to apply a combo chart in Microsoft Excel. To do this, just select the project and then click on Insert, and in this charts group you have Insert Combo Chart. Just click on that and you have three more options to select the chart type. Okay, select this one and then your chart will pop out on your screen. After selecting your chart, you can select and drag it according to your position you need. You can resize its size or you can change its style from the design format, and in this format tab you can change the background or fill any color, or you can choose the outline or add any effect. Okay, and in this design you can change the layout guys like another charts, or you can change the color. Also when you select it, then you have elementary changes guys, like you can insert the titles or you can change the titles position. You can add any error bar, change the grid lines, you can add the trendings. So here in this chart guys, what does it's showing that the name of the salesman like Jack, Sam, Ames, their sales in the months, like in October, in November represents blue and the yellow represents the December. So this is the graphical representation and here is the average and the total. Okay, so this was combo chart guys. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.